This is your new Samsung phone. You press and hold the power button to turn off your phone, right? Wait, what is it? Bixby? What is Bixby? Why Bixby? Where is my shutdown reboot settings? Okay, I will just show you that. Before that, I am pressing volume up, nothing, volume down, nothing. Okay, let's try again. Oh, again Bixby. Now I am go to the settings, typing side key SIDE. Yes, this is it. Press and hold. Turn off wake Bixby and turn on power off menu. Now you can enjoy press and hold power off reboot menu on your newly purchased Samsung phone. Thank you.